Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete all posts on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to delete all of your posts, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app. Very first, I recommend you have to check for updates for your Facebook app to prevent issues. Once you have done, just tap on your menu option in the bottom right corner. If you're using any Android, you will get it in this section. So open the menu section here. Just tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings, and here just scroll down and under your activity section you'll get activity log. Just select activity log option, then select your Facebook activity. Under posts you'll get the manage posts option. Select manage posts, and here you'll get all of the posts you have or you liked. So you just have to tap on this folder options, select categories, then select your posts, photos and videos. Once you have selected, you will get all of the posts which you have shared on your Facebook profile. So you just have to select the posts which you want to delete. So for example, if you want to delete all posts, just tap on this all option and your all posts will be selected. Just tap on this recycle bin option, then tap on move to trash and your posts will be deleted. So you can also tap on recycle bin and you can permanently delete your posts, or you can also restore them or archive them from here. Say I have some deleted posts, or if you want to archive your posts, you just tap on this archive option and your post will be archived and you will get this archive section. So in this way you can easily delete all of your posts on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.